So we got these solar in-ground lights to kind of light up that wall right here and the one over here just at night, because we don't have any sort of electricity or anything like that running to there. But these are super convenient and they light up really, really easily. These 4 little prongs, and then each light comes like this. You take them out and you just remove the film before use and you put them together. All right, so here is what the bundle, this is just 2, and then so this has a long little space in between, and then this slides into this, just like this, and it makes an X shape. Put this one on first, and you just kind of pop it into the slots like crossways, just like this. Make sure they're fully in. And then this slides on top like this. And then make sure it's all fully in the little holes, so that way it goes in evenly. And there you have it. And then you have the on-off switch right here. So off is over here and on is on that way. So super easy, super convenient, and now we have light. These are also really easy to stick into the ground. You just kind of push and make sure it's flush, and this is what it looks like. We made sure to remove the film, obviously, too, but here's the underside, and then this is what goes in the ground. So we did this one, and then we have a bunch of others just kind of lining this wall here because the set came with 12. And then after allowing them to sit in the sun all day, this is what they look like. So they definitely put off a lot of light, which is really nice. And they just kind of give like a warm glow outside because they are this like warm white color. So if you are looking for some outdoor solar lights, if you don't have electrical outlets to plug in regular lights, I would definitely recommend these. They give off a lot of light. They were super easy to install, and they just kind of give like a nice little glow to the backyard.